Hello, today I'm going to show you my technology portfolio. Normally this would be an attachment, but because I got locked out of my old portfolio, I'm just going to do this as a regular. So this is a technology portfolio that I created for my technology class. These are the assignments that we created. This is a unit plan that I created for my kindergarten class. I actually did this the first couple of weeks of school, and I'm still reviewing now with it. So I did my unit plan on numbers 1 through 10. The students will have to identify the number. The students will have to write the number, and the students would have to count objects to whatever number was given to them. The second assignment that we did was a YouTube tutorial video. I did my video over BrainPop Junior. We have to do a lot of online learning just in case we were to ever be quarantined. So this is an app that my students use every day. We use this for science and social studies. This particular video was over the 5 senses, a unit that we had already did in class. It tells the students the information. At the end, it allows them to take a quiz, or they could create a word map or a web map, as some people call it. The third thing that we created was a tease video. This was an extension of my unit plan. So it mainly was used for subitizing. So the students would see the object or the number and guess what it was. I used everyday things that the students see. For instance, like a 7-Up can, there's a number 7 in it, or the Channel 5 News has a 5 in the symbol, or pictures of cupcakes. How many cupcakes did you see? Pictures, how many babies were there? A price, what was the price for that? How many animals are there? And the kids enjoyed that along with the songs that went with them. The last assignment that we created was a collaborative digital tool. My partner and I did Microsoft Sway. It's a application that is very similar to PowerPoint. I don't use this. My students do not use this, but I use this with my students. Instead of giving papers, we submit the information to the application. We can change the background, make it super decorative, so the students are engaged with that PowerPoint. The last thing I'm going to talk about is myself. I am Tabitha Coleman. This is my first year teaching kindergarten in Crandall ISD. I'm a recent graduate of Houston Baptist University, and I'm currently in the graduate program at Houston Baptist University. After I graduate with my master's, I plan to continue my education, but I'm not sure what area or field I want to be in. Eventually, I want to end up in administration, but I'm not quite sure if I just want to be a principal or charter my own school. I hope you guys enjoyed my my presentation. I look forward to looking at some of yours.